Hi everyone, welcome to Best of Cat, and today I'll be doing a question on arithmetic which came in CAT 2025 slot 2. Now before you look into the solution of that, I would want you to pause the video, try the question on your own and then look at the solution. Let's see the question. A certain amount of money was divided among Pinu, Meena, Reenu and Seema. Pinu received 20% of the total amount and Meena received 40% of the remaining amount. If Seema received 20% less than Pinu, the ratio of amounts received by Pinu and Reenu is. Now, if you look at, first of all the four people who are mentioned here have got their different initial. So therefore, for me, it is going to be P, M, R and S instead of the actual name, because I'm least bothered about whether it is Pinu or Prem Kumar. It's going to be P, M, R and S. Now, what they have given is nothing but they have given that Pinu received 20% of the total amount. So therefore, if I assume that total amount is 100x, so therefore, share of Pinu will be nothing but 20x. Now, M received 40% of the remaining. Now, I know the remaining is going to be 80x, so therefore, 40% of that is going to be nothing but 32x. So therefore, share of M will be 32x. Then it says, if S received 20% less than P. Now, I know the share of P which is 20x. So, therefore, share of S will be 20% less and 20% of 20x is going to be 4x less. Therefore, share of S will be nothing but 16x. And therefore, the last person R will get the remaining amount. So, out of the total 100x, so 20 plus 32 plus 16, which is going to be 68 is given to these three. So therefore, share of R will be 100x minus 68x, which is going to be 32x. So I'm able to know the share of all the four person, P, M and S and R. Now the question says, what is the amount received by P and R? So I know P has received 20x, R has received 32x. So therefore, ratio of P and R is gonna be 20x is to 32x, which if we simplify, it's gonna be 4 5s are 4 8s are. So therefore, the ratio is equal to 5:8 for P and R, which is the answer to this question. Now solve a similar question which I'm sharing on the screen. Try on your own and share your answer in the comment section. The question is, please take a note of that, read it carefully and then solve it. Share the answer in the comment section.